This is the Irontrader. It is hump day, which means it is crude day. Now, the API report came out last night. It was very bullish. Crude had a draw of 5.2 million. Gasoline had a draw of 3.7 million. Distillates had a small build of zero point 0.6 million, and Cushing had a nice draw of 2.3 million. So remember, the API EIA report will be out today at 10:30. We'll see if it all confirms. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell, stock, commodity ETF. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we have your crude oil daily chart and natural gas daily chart. We'll take a look here at the Okudski here first. Okay, now you can see here today, we have a lower low situation, and we're just below that 200-day sitting here at 78.09. Okay, so what we had the last couple of days, we went right up here all the way through the 21-day, the 200-day, the 50-day, and right into that 100-day. And then yesterday we put in the lower high, but we held that 200-day. Now it looks like we're going below that. So the next level here, what you're going to be looking for, is going to be this 21-day here on the downside. So you're looking at 77.30. Now, again, if that's lost, then we can look here to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 77.09, and then the bottom there, you're looking at 76.70. But realistically, this 76.47, that's going to be very, very key support. Now, you can see where the 8-day is rolling up here, going to maybe possibly hit that 200-day. Now, we got to watch this pattern here, okay? So as I pointed out here yesterday and the day before here, we're looking at this always to the left here. See where you had your left shoulder, your head, and your right shoulder, inverse head and shoulders pattern. That's what could possibly be building right here. Okay, your left shoulder and your head, and then we're building a right shoulder. But we got to see how this is all going to play out here. Now, there's a lot of big brouhaha going on there in the Middle East. You know, I'm saying between Russia and Ukraine there. So there's a lot of situations here. Plus with the draws in oil. So just don't have opinion, because if this reverses something that you get in that oil, this could reverse real hard and go right on up here, or it could sell right down. So you got to just trade these charts. That's the only way you're going to make the money off here. Now, what we're also looking at here before that inverse head and shoulders pattern, what we're looking at here, see this pole here, and it looks like we have a possible bull flag going. Now, again, if you lose the 21-day and the 8-day, and you get below that candle there, which is at that 76.70. Well, that would negate the pattern, but let's just see how this is all going to shake out here today. So what we want to watch here on the downside is you want to watch that 21-day at 77.30, and then we want to watch that 8-day at 76.47. Those are going to be your very, very key numbers. On the upside, we need to get back above this 200-day. That's 78.09, and then what we want to do is we want to get above this 78.99, which is your 50-day. If we can do that, then we're going to attack that 100-day again at 80.18 here. But it's got, obviously, you can see where it's strong resistance. Now, again, if we get above that, then we can come all the way, just follow these candles. You've got 81.34 here. We have 81.93. You have 82.27 and then 83.10, which is the top of that candle. That's what we're going to be looking for resistant levels here. So we got to just trade this range here. Now we were trading between the 200-day and the 100-day. Now we're going between that 100-day and possibly this 21-day here. So let's just see how this shakes out. If this bull flag does play out here, does the inverse head and shoulders play out here, or does this just sell right on off? Okay, so now your RSI here, we're looking okay here. Looking at 50, this is looking good. Your MACD, we have that nice crossover that shows momentum there to the upside. That's always a very, very good bullish cross when that green crosses over the top of that red here. So let's just see how that shakes out. And remember, watch that EIA report there at 10:30 to see if that confirms that API yesterday, because there was some really good builds right across the board. Okay, let's take a look here at natural gas. Now, natural gas, we can see a couple things here right here when we look. Okay, we went up and we went right into that 100-day, popped ahead, but you notice it couldn't close. And yesterday, we put in a lower high and a lower low, and it went right again into that 100 SMA. Now, so far today, we have an inside day, and all that really means is your high and low is within the inside of the high and low of the previous day. Now, what we have here, though, if you watch this 8-day, we have a nice bullish cross. See how that 8-day crossed over that 21-day? So we could get some sideways action, but as long as we hold that 8-day and that 21-day, this is looking very, very bullish chart here. And this, I always pointed this out here a couple of weeks ago on this positive divergence. This is what got the whole pattern started. So as this is coming off, this is going up, and that's positive divergence. Plus now we have your green crossed the red, and that's good. That's a bull sign, and that's a positive momentum. That's what you want to always see here if you're a long trader, okay? Now, if you're short, you just want to see just the opposite. You want to see what this is when that green crosses below, and then we have the old short ski coming all the way on down here. So here's what we're going to look at today, okay? So this is what we're going to be following. Downside, you're going to want to watch that 8 SMA. You're looking at 2.11 key level, and then we have your 21-day sitting at 2.09 level. Okay, so we got this good trading range here between your 8-day and 21-day and your 100-day. Now, upside is that going to be that 100-day. That's going to be very, very key. That's sitting at 2.24. Then we're going to look at that price channel at 2.27, which is basically the top of that candle. If we get above that, then we're going to look at that 200-day at 2.347, and then we're going to look at that 2.40 here on your 50 SMA here. So actually this chart is looking very, very bullish. And what I do like about it is, and not just this positive divergence, I like that here because look how nice it turned out. And then that nice bullish cross of your 8-day over your 21-day. Once that happens, see, it can be just a scenario like what this has. When that 8-day crossed over, then this is what you get. Okay, so let's just see how this all shakes out. So for today, just trade this, watch that 8-day and that 21-day on the bottom, and watch that 100-day there on the top here. But this is starting to look very, very bullish. And remember, seasonality, first week of September here. So it could be a long trade all the way till the second week there of December. Okay, that's what I got for you. I'll be back here midday trading. And remember, trade what's in front of you, not what you want.